Hi, we're the girls from Cuckoo's Cuisina. I'm Joanne.
I'm Jackie.
And I'm Kelly.
And we're embarking this week on our Greek island salads. And we're going to start with a black-eyed pea salad, which is a Mavromatika
Mavromatika
Fasolia
Fasolia Salata.
There we go. And you can find this on all of the islands of Greece, but you may find different versions of this. So maybe on one island it's going to be the way we're making it, and then on another island be completely different. But the only constant here would be the black-eyed peas.
Right.
So we had fresh black-eyed peas.
We had dried black-eyed peas.
Right. Fresh, dried, yes. It's fresh and dried. And we boiled it in a pot of water, and we added a little bit of salt and a bay leaf. And after that, we ran it under cold water and we strained it so that it would cool down. And that's what we have prepared here.
And you want that to be cool because you're going to be mixing it with lettuces. You don't want the lettuce to wilt.
Yeah.
So
to this, I'm going to add some celery and some parsley, some chopped parsley.
And then you can mix this together, and then you can cover it and put it in the refrigerator up to 3 days. You don't want to mix it with the dressing we're about to make. It'll stay fresh for 3 days, and then you can mix it up when you're ready to serve it.
Now,
so while Joanne's doing that, Jackie's going to show us how to do the dressing.
So I'm going to make the dressing, and in here we have some olive oil and some fresh lemon juice. And I'm going to whisk that together.
Okay.
And then what we're going to add are some shallots. And then we're going to add some minced garlic.
And we don't want a lot of this, so we just have a small minced garlic here.
And then
the seasonings.
we have some sea salt, thyme, and some black pepper.
Yes, we're using fresh thyme here.
So if you aren't going to save this and put it in the refrigerator, then as soon as you're done doing that, you're going to add it right into your beans.
Yeah. This is going to beautifully dress your beans and give them wonderful flavor.
All that in there.
Yeah, get all that wonderful stuff in there.
Yeah.
And then we're going to add
We have some baby greens, baby lettuces, and some arugula. So let's put this in here. Ready? Okay. Get that in there. And then we have some toasted walnuts, which add nice crunch to your salad in a really, really healthy way.
and a lot of good.
There's antioxidants and fiber.
Yeah.
Adds to the fiber in the black-eyed peas. This is
healthy oils.
a delicious way to eat healthy.
Okay.
So let's get those in there.
And you notice it's pretty quick.
Yeah.
Right? I mean, other than cooking the black-eyed peas.
Yeah, but it's really such an easy thing because you're just adding water, setting the stove, and getting your rest.
Set it and forget.
You get the rest of your ingredients prepped while that's cooking.
And there it is.
Yeah.
And there
And
it is.
then you have your Mavromatika Fasolia Salata.
Galioreksi.
Galioreksi.